What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix sleep mode not working after update issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon and then it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here look for the clock app. So open the clock app and then go to its storage. Now clear the app data and cache memory of the clock app. So to clear the cache memory, click on clear cache, and to clear the app data, tap on clear data, and from here again click on clear data, and then from the pop-up again tap on clear to confirm. And after that the sleep mode will start working properly. But after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is factory reset your phone. So to do this, open settings, scroll down and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down to the end and click on factory data reset, and then scroll down and here again click on this reset option to confirm. So when you will click on reset option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default, and it will delete everything from your phone, including apps, music, pictures or any other thing that you have added. So tap on reset, and after factory resetting your phone, the sleep mode will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.